How I customized my Notion page trip to Japan. I just created a page in Notion and named it Trip to Japan. Here's how I made it look more exciting and personal. First, the cover photo. I uploaded a beautiful cover image to make a page instantly eye-catching. Fonts and colors. Changed the fonts, added colors, and even set background's color to make everything pop. Third, the icon. Just a fun eye-catching icon that represents the vibe of my trip. Then next, the layout. To change the layout, simply hover over the setting, upper right side of the page, and select how you'd like to view it. I personally went with gallery view, which makes it visually pleasing and satisfying to look at. And just like that, my travel page turned into something inspiring and fun to use.